Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Beria Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture of C2. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day. And you know very well how we start our day, in the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning, and that is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lecture? Look at your screen. The first one is C2, your maths workbook, one pencil and eraser, and some colors. Make sure you have all these things on your table so we can start our lecture. What are the objectives of today's lesson? Number 1, relate how many more are needed to addition. Count backwards in sequence. We are going to revise the concepts of addition and backward counting. Everyone take your C2 maths workbook, open page number 15. You can see on your screen now. This one page we have to do. Yes, before doing this page you have to write your date. And what is the date today? Look at the screen, 23rd 23.10.2020 space h.t again space, and the day is Friday. F should be capital in Friday. Where you are going to write, my arrow is telling you, top of the page. Start from this corner. Right here 23.10.2020 space h.t should be in the middle of the page, again space, and write Friday in the right corner of your page. Then come down. You need to complete the number line and you need to find out which numbers are missing. Start from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What comes after 18? Excellent, 19. 19. Right here 19, and the last one is 20. 20. Then come on activity. Activity 2.7, and this is about bees and dragonflies. The first one is circle the bees in groups of 2. As you have done this concept in your class, you know very well how you will make the groups of 2. You need to circle them 2 bees together. Like my arrow will tell you how you will make. You need to circle them together, these 2 bees. I connected these 2 bees with my arrow, but you have to circle them. One, 2, 3 and 4 groups of bees. Then number 2, circle the dragonflies in groups of 2. Again you are going to circle dragonflies in group of 2. Start circling. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here are 5 groups. You need to circle them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now come down, count and fill in the blanks. There are dash groups of bees. How many circle you have made? You need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You made 4 groups. So you are going to write number 4 in a first blank. Second is, there are dash groups of dragonflies. Same like bees, you have to count the groups of dragonflies. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We made 5 groups of dragonflies. So you are going to write number 5 here. Count and filling the blanks. How many more groups of bees are needed to make both groups equal in number? We have 5 groups of dragonflies and 4 groups of bees. How many numbers we will add in 4, then we will get the equal number. Then we will get number 5. Excellent. One more number. We needed one more number. So you are going to write number 1 here in a square box. One group is needed. Come on the next page. Page number 16. Everyone, just turn your page. You have to write the same date, top of the page, 23.10.2020, space, age.t, again space, and the day is Friday. You are going to write top of the page, then come down. Yes, you have to complete your number line. You will start from 11 till 20. You will write here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Then come down. 2.8 activity number is 2.8 and this is about caterpillars and snails. Can you see caterpillars and snails on this page? Yes. The first one, circle the snails in groups of 3. Now we will circle 3 snails together. Like you will start from this snail and you are going to circle with these 2 snails. Circle them together. In one circle there should be 3 snails. Then circle these 3 snails together. Then come on the next and circle these 3 and the last 3 1. Circle them together and we made 4 groups of snails. Then come on caterpillars. They are saying circle the caterpillars in groups of 3 and circle them together, and here circle them together in one group. Now they are asking how many groups of 3 snails are there. How many groups we made? Let's count. You need to count the circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many groups of 3 caterpillars are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 groups of caterpillars and 4 groups of snails. Count and filling the blank. Dash more groups of caterpillars are needed so that both groups are equal in number. We have 4 groups of snails and 2 groups of caterpillars. So how many groups we are needed to make them equal? Excellent. 2 more groups. So you are going to write number 2 in a blank. 2 more groups of caterpillars are needed so that both groups are equal in number. This is about how we can add the numbers. How many more numbers are needed to make them equal. Come on the next page, page number 17. And here is unit number 3. You can see on your screen. We have done first 2 units. Now come on to unit number 3, page number 17. And this is about subtraction, counting backwards. Before doing this page, you are going to write your same date, top of the page 23.10.2020, space age.t, again space, and the day is Friday. You will write top of the page, then come down activity 3.1, and this is about counting backwards. If you remember, we have revised backward counting. Again, we are going to do count back and filling the missing numbers. Follow the instructions below to color the squares. First, we have to complete the missing numbers, then we will color them. So, look at the first one. Here is written number 1. Come on second row, there is written 2, 1. This is about backward counting, so we are going back. We will read backward counting. First two are done for you. The number 3 is, look at row number 3, and there is 3 is written, but 2 squares are empty. We have to complete them. Which numbers are missing? What comes before 3? Yes, excellent. 2. You will write here 2, then 1. Come on next. 4 is written. What comes before 4? If we are going back from 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep reading and complete your missing numbers. 5 is written. What comes before 5? 4. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to write the missing numbers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9 is written. What comes before 9? 8. You will write here number 8. Then 7, 6 is already written. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last one is 10. 10 is already written. What comes before 10? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is about backward counting from 10 to 1. Now, follow the instructions below to color the squares. Color the blocks with numbers. Here is mentioned colors with the numbers. We are going to color number 10 and 5 red. Now you have to find number 10 and 5, the column of 5. Then you will color it red, both colors. Then 9 and 4 is blue. Find out number 9 and then number 4. Color them blue. 8 and 3 is green. 8 and number 3. Color them green. 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Color them yellow, and the last one is 6 and 1. 6 and 1. Color them purple. Be careful while coloring and make sure you are doing your coloring very neat. This is all about today's lecture. Take care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. See you in the next week, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.